I told you there was a way to afford the lighting gear you want or need more than ever before? What if I told you that you may finally be able to make the investment you need so you can start making more money with your photography? Well, that day is here. Rotolight is proud to announce that they have made payment plans and financing available for all of the gear they offer. When you place an order on Rotolight.com, now you can select a payment option that allows you to buy now and pay later, allowing you to finance payments for any gear you purchase. You can finance with no money down, my friends, and that means you could get your hands on a Titan X1 for $85 a month. That is a game changer.
Great job, Miss Maddie. You slayed it, girl.
Or for orders less than $1,000, you also have the option to split it into 4 payment installments with your credit or debit card.
Oh my gosh, that was amazing. First thing I'm going to do before I get everything set up is I'm going to see if the Neo in this scenario is going to be enough to illuminate her to the desired result that I have. So can you stand right there for me? Just bring it up right here.
These financing options apply to all gear on the Rotolight website, and even more importantly, can be used in conjunction with the special promo codes available to my followers when you visit Rotolight.com/JasonOffers. I've used this gear for nearly a decade now, shooting in some of the craziest places on Earth. I use it for weddings, portraits, landscapes, hell, I even use it to find my way out of some of the crazy places I shoot when it gets dark.
Put your eyes to me, Danny. There you go, beautiful. 1, 2, 3.
This is the only gear that does high-speed sync flash with no recycle time, and is a beautiful continuous LED light where you can control the color to make perfect results. I literally have used this gear everywhere.
This is the Innova Pro 2.
So what are you waiting for? Get the gear you need or want now so you can create the shots of your dreams. Simply visit Rotolight.com/JasonOffers.